Hi everyone, and today we are going to explore calendars templates in Microsoft Excel. The objectives are knowing templates and importance of time and calendars, where calendars can be applied for everything. So motivation to templates are awesome because they are ready, free, can save your time and save your effort, also can improve your daily life and daily life organization and daily life management. Also they can used for your personal life optimization and your business optimization. And these templates are categorized for several applications. You can check all these templates by selecting tab, new, suggested, search. Okay? The first template here is in-year calendar with holidays. So the settings for this template, you can have calendar for any year, just change the year. So if you are in 2021, just select 2021. If you are in 2022, just select 2022. If you are in 2023, just select 2023, and so on. You can select whatever year you want. Also, you will find the months of this calendar. So this is January, and this is February, and this is March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay? Also, you will find the holidays of this year. New Year Day, Martin Luther King Day, and President's Day, and Memorial Day, Labor Day, and so on, and Christmas Day, Thanksgiving Day, and so on. Also, you can edit these holidays and this time. You can edit this time, and automatically when you edit these holidays, you will find the changes in the calendar days. Okay? This is very simple template. You just select the year. After selecting the year, you can find the calendar within your hands. Okay? Also, this template is awesome because it shows the phases of the moon based on calendar. So you just select the year we are in, and when you select the year, you will find the phases of the moon calendar for every month from January, February, March, April, and so on. It's awesome calendar. Also, you will find the moon phases data, and you can change this data accordingly. You will find the updated calendar phases moon here. So this is awesome template for phases of the moon. If you want to find this template, you will find this template attached with the material within the video. Also, you can find this by searching for phases of the moon from here, file, new, and from here search online templates, and here is our template. Click create, and here is the template online. Okay? Also, this is an awesome template for any year expenses calendar. You can write all your expenses based on calendar and based on day or month or year you want to choose. Okay? So if you have daily expenses, you can write down these expenses by day. For example, if you have expenses in February, our Friday, okay? Write the data you want, write the description you want, and write the amount of the data you want, and you will find this data is collected and summed up in this cell. And after this month, you will find the total data will collected here by grand total and monthly total. Also, you can enter all your expenses over day by day and over the months of the year. So this sheet is awesome because you know your expenses based on day, in day level. You just select the year and select the day you want to enter the data, and write the description and amount. I hope these templates are great for you. Thank you and see you in the next lecture. Thank you.